Hey guys, I just thought I would do a quick DIY video that I probably should have posted last week. Here in the area, we had just this last week, we had a bunch of really cold weather, like sub-zero, a little bit below zero temperatures. And I don't know if your car ever does this, but mine does. When it gets really cold like that, your doors will get stuck and they don't want to open. And sometimes if you pull hard enough, you'll get your door handles to break. And so there's a quick thing that you can do for that, and I thought I'd show it to you. Like I said, I should have done it last week, but I kind of got sidetracked. The reason that your doors do that is on your seals, like you're seeing here along the door, the water or moisture will build up on those seals, and so you'll end up with ice between them, and that's actually what's sticking. It's not the rubber itself. So to prevent that, what you can do is take some silicone spray, something like this. It doesn't have to be this brand. This is just what I happen to have on hand. And just take an old rag, and you do want to use an old one because it's going to get messed up. Just take it and spray some, and then take your rag and wipe it alongside your rubber seals. Something like that. And you want to go all the way around the entire seal for the door. What that's going to do is water and silicone don't mix, kind of like oil. And so it'll kind of remove the water off of there. It'll also make a water resistant barrier so that the water doesn't stick to the rubber, and then your doors won't stick. It also helps kind of moisturize the rubber, for lack of a better term. And so it'll make those rubber seals last longer. But then the next time that it gets really cold, that silicone will keep your doors from freezing up. I did it fortunately right before this last bit of cold weather, and so when I came out to clear off the car, thankfully opened the door, popped right open, no problem. Hope that helps. Catch you next time.